Many classes here at UH West Oahu will require you to submit work electronically through the learning management system, Laulima. To do so, you need to know how to create, save, and locate electronic files. Let's begin by creating a Microsoft Word document. This program is a word processor that you can use to write term papers, essays, or even stories. You can save your work by clicking on the word File at the top and then creating a name for your document. You also need to select the place where you plan to save your document. This function makes it possible for me to return to this document and add or edit at a later time. I decided to save it to my desktop since I'm still working on it. Notice that I closed the document, but since I saved it, everything is still intact. Later on, I can add it to an electronic folder. This organization is similar to the idea of using a filing cabinet, in that you create folders and fill them with documents, and you can save them for later use. Next, we are going to create a PowerPoint presentation using Microsoft PowerPoint. You will probably be asked to present information to your class, and this tool will help you organize your information in a slideshow that can be easily shared with your classmates. First, choose your background and then begin filling in the slides with your information. You should save at the beginning and after each chunk of information that you add to your presentation. Saving helps protect you from losing your work if an error occurs or the power goes out. First, choose a title and a location, and then choose a file type. There are many different choices, but for this presentation, since we want to be able to access it later and edit it, we're going to save it as a .ppt. Depending on the software on your machine, there are many different types of files that you can make. Now we will create an Excel file by opening a spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel. This program can be helpful for things that involve numbers. Notice the procedure for saving is the same. Go up to File and select Save As. Then create a title for your work and a location for your file. I am choosing to save it on my desktop. And the file type, in this case, we're saving it as an Excel workbook. So it has the extension of .xlsx. That extension will follow the title of the spreadsheet to indicate the file type. This extension is different from the document that we saved. The document's extension was .doc. Notice the file extension is different since the file type is different. To electronically search my computer for a particular file, I can click on the magnifying glass in the top right corner. This computer is a Mac, so the feature that I'm using is called Spotlight Search. However, PCs also have search features, and they can usually be accessed from hitting the Windows key on your keyboard. In the search bar, I can type a word from the title of the file that I'm looking for, and you can see the first hit is the file that I wanted to find. And I can open my document from here.